Good morning or good afternoon or good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Welcome back to Hajways. Today I've brought you back here to the Islington Wharf. We did that bit there, over there. We did all that, which is a beautiful video, and now we're going to explore. I want to try to explore this other area and see what it has to offer. So accompany me on this day as we adventure and explore this part of Manchester. So this part here is the Islington Wharf, which we have featured already, which is full of canals, and actually there is two canals. One of them is this one here. Let me try to see if we can have a glimpse of it. This one down here, which is the Ashton Canal, and then on the far end there is the Rochdale Canal. But today we want to go to this other side. Sorry, it's a bit noisy because I'm just next to one of the major roads here in town. So if you're trying to visit this place either from outside Manchester, you know, these trains actually, they take you all the way to Ashton, passing by the Manchester City Stadium. And if you're coming from that end and you're heading to the town centre, then this is the line that you're supposed to use to come to the Islington Wharf. And then if you're coming from town all the way to Ashton and the neighbourhoods along the way, then this is the way. Okay. And that would be the train station for.
So as you step off the tram and walk down Pollard Street, you are walking through history. To our left, the towering red brick giant is Hope Mill, built in 1824 and roaring with steam engines and now buzzing with theatre and creativity. But just next door is the old Albert Cabinet Works, which has swapped furniture, making for art studios, while ahead is the colossal Brunswick Mill, rising like a fortress of the industrial age. And if you walk a little further down, you'll find the Wellington Mills. We're not going there today though. And that was once a textile powerhouse, now a hive of small businesses. And at the end, we'll also have the Albion and the Vulcan Mills, where machinery for the world's cotton industry was once built, reborn today as homes and offices. But we're going to walk further up and see what this area looks like. But also if we're walking towards that end, heading just ahead, you are headed to the Etihad Stadium. So you can actually walk from here to the Etihad Stadium. But here, every brick you pass whispers Manchester's story, old industry shaping new life. And now we are branching onto Malta Street. Malta Street is now a quieter corner of the neighborhood, just steps from the new Islington tram, and this street actually blends industrial heritage with modern city life, and its exposed brick and lofty windows remind you of it's walking past, while the calm pace makes it feel almost hidden from the bustle. It's a small street, but one that carries the character of Manchester's transformation. And now we are on Snell Street. It's a short street, but a striking stretch here in this neighborhood. Here, you are surrounded by modern townhouses designed to echo the character of the area's industrial past while offering a fresh contemporary feel. It's just minutes away from the tram as well, and the marina, and also the northern quarter, which we have featured in some of our video. And yet this street itself feels calm and intimate. It's like a hidden pocket of city living woven into Manchester's historic fabric.
I've been to the other side, I think down the road here, when I went to the Etihad Stadium. Yes, I did, at the far end. Yes, so actually if you walk all the way down, all these roads actually lead to the Etihad. So yes, I was down there, and there's another train station over there that connects to the one that we've just seen, and they've got a small park here which I'm going to try and see if it can be, I can go in there or not. It looks, well, it's not very well kept maybe, but anyways, let me have a look. I'll go down here and see. Now it's actually okay. It's just a tiny park here for the neighborhood. So let's try to do a 360 here. Oh, the sun is right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's over there. So just enough to give us some warmth. But yeah, it's been wet. You can see, I don't know if you can see the droplets of water. It's just because of the rains that we've had all morning and last night as well. Our beautiful lawns, they've all been well kept, and we have this beautiful neighborhood here, complete with this house here is complete with the England, or the flag of England. I don't know if you can see it there. Yes, beautiful. So I would love to venture in here, but I'm very sure that I've done that part behind there, so there's no need of going all the way down, but probably just come back here and try to see what this other area looks like. But it's gonna be noisy because I'm going back to the main road, so it's going to be a bit noisy, so I won't be able to talk, literally. Yeah, I won't be able to talk much as I walk there, but I will try to give you some information about this area once I'm done. Look at that tree, beautiful. I love nature, you guys know. Yeah, look at that. As I always say, these are perfect for sunny days because they can give you a perfect shade, so that you can shelter from the heat. But yes, so this is how this neighborhood looks like. We've got these houses here, which are the typical English houses, but then we've got all these apartment or flats that are taking over the city. Ancoats Grove. So this would actually form part of Ancoats. But let's go down here and see how this place looks like.
And now we are on the Isaac Way, which is all about modern city living lined with contemporary apartments. It gives you a clean urban feel, just steps away from the heart of Ancoats. And we're going to branch here on Advent Way to go all the way down, and it will bring us to the Great Ancoats Street. But Advent Way feels different. It's quieter and almost hidden. Here you'll find townhouses or townhouse style homes and gated courtyards that give you that street of, gives the street a village like charm. You're only a short way or short walk from many other green spaces, including the marina and Ancoats itself, cafes, but yet it feels tucked away, like you are on little retreat in the middle of the city. Yeah, let's turn around and have another look. It's really beautiful. And now we are here on Great Ancoats. And this Great Ancoats Street is actually a major road here in the city of Manchester. The name alone feels like it could lead anywhere. Ahead, Great Ancoats Street stretches out, full of character and quiet transformation. It was once a backbone of Manchester's industrial heartbeat, and this road has evolved, and now it hums with a softer energy, glass and steel. So Great Ancoats was once the backbone of Manchester's industrial heartbeat, and this road has evolved, and now it has changed completely. We have all these buildings here, glass and steel mingling perfectly, and with the softer energy of the traffic also that is moving around this area. So it is the little things that speak loudest. As I said, there's a smooth rhythm of traffic, and any other element that has been thoughtfully placed here, each one of them adding texture to the city's pulse. Even the hotels have found a little corner here where they could put up shop, but majorly this area is all residential. Look at that structure right behind, in front of us there, the colony. It's really beautiful. So now we are fully in the area that covers the towers. As I would say, here comes the towers, modern giants watching over the city across from Islington Green, and It is a space once overlooked, but now caught between memory and momentum. Many people would actually be looking for this area here to come and live. It's a fantastic area. First of all, it is just within minutes to the town center. You can really walk from here to the town center in less than 15 minutes. Just a very relaxed walk. But also you've seen there, we've got buses coming from this end to the town center.
Yes, my people, so thank you so much for accompanying me to the end of this video. It's been a pleasure that you have accompanied me all the way to the end, and that never goes unnoticed. The channel, just to remind you, the channel goes by the name of Hajways. Please like the video, share it with friends and family, and do not forget to come back for more. And just before I stop this recording, I just want to let you know that we did part of this area, which is called the New Islington. We have a couple of videos there, very, very beautiful, and I'll pin the link to those videos up here, so make sure that you go and watch them so that you can complete the episodes or the series of this area here in Manchester. And I do hope that you've learned something new about Manchester. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.